Okay, so here's the first thing we want to do. One, pay attention. Oops. Pay attention to our thinking. Okay, when we look at paying attention to our thinking, we want to treat our thoughts as pure information without judgment or interpretation. We're not going to say these are bad thoughts or good thoughts. It's just what is. We want to become aware of what's really going on in our mind. What have we developed and piled up in our brain over the years in terms of thoughts and the way that we react? It's the only way a person can make any kind of change if they want to make a change. We also will pay attention to our thinking. We'll pay attention to our feelings, which is one of the things that we were just talking about too, right, in this last step. And another one is attitudes and beliefs. We'll pay attention to our attitudes and beliefs. That's all part of our thinking. Okay, now attitudes and beliefs are general ways of thinking about a lot of different situations. They could be rules, principles, values, or general opinions about a kind of a person or a kind of situation. They can express the values and principles you live by. Attitudes and beliefs define the things that matter most to us. What might be some basic attitudes and beliefs you yourself have or you've known other people might have?
Music's not good unless it's loud.
That's right. That might be a belief that some people have. Yeah. What's another rule or attitude, belief that you might have?
Well, I gotta reevaluate my thoughts right now because.
What'd you just say?
Yeah.
What'd you say?
Hold on.
I didn't hear what you said. What'd you say?
I said, what are some examples of attitudes and beliefs that people hold? Those general values that they have. Anyone in here think family is important?
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay. Would you say that there are some people that might even feel that my family is the most important thing in my life?
No.
Yeah.
Right. That would be an important value that a person holds. Do you think people might have the value of, you have to stand up for yourself? You can't let other people push you around.
Like maybe someone's religion, or like
Religious beliefs,
Yeah, the culture.
cultural beliefs can be very important values that people hold.
Yeah.
Exactly. Remember, we had an example on the first day or so of class. We had an example of an iceberg, and it's what this demonstrates is this. And this is what is called cognitive, which is thinking, restructuring. And this cognitive restructuring simply means you're taking control of your own thinking. You're redesigning the way your brain operates. And that's really what's involved in that. You're developing new neural pathways, new ways of thinking, new connections in your brain. Okay, so you're going to get a different result, and they're not going to follow the same old pathways your brain was following before. And so if this represents an iceberg, most of this stuff is beneath the water. Most of it's beneath the water. This would be our external behaviors. What everybody sees. Our internal behaviors are the things that are below the water. People can't see them. I'm going to put this as behaviors. And this would include thinking. My brain is skipping. Thinking, feelings,
Mama say whoop, daddy say you can't whoop and get away.
attitudes, and and beliefs. Okay, all those things are the things that are beneath the surface. We don't see those. Other people don't see those. They don't know how we're thinking about things unless we have some kind of external behavior.
Was it attitude beliefs?
Attitude/beliefs.
I mean, you can see that.
How can you see that?
When I like say with somebody like has an attitude, I mean, you won't see it, but you can, you know what I mean, like in the sense. You know?
You can sense it.
Yeah.
Well, what sends you the signals to get the idea of how people are?
The way-
Exterior behavior.
Yeah, the way people.
It is exterior behavior, isn't
Reading
it?
body language.
Exactly.
Like the eye contact.
Yeah,
The
so,
eye
yeah, so
contact.
you know what I'm saying? So you do see it, you know what I mean? It's like reading body language.
That's right. And to a large degree, a lot of it is what you see in their face,
Yeah.
right? You're
So
going to
you-
get the
so
idea
that's
of their
something you can
attitudes and
see.
beliefs.
You see the attitude.